Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling parts and transferring the controller template onto cardboard. Do this now so you can cut precisely. Once cut, score fold lines with a ruler to ensure snug bends. This helps button alignment later. Make sure to leave tabs for glue so components stay secure. You will place the magnet and conductive pad in the top section. This creates the input that the phone reads. Keep parts organized on a flat surface and prepare your glue and Velcro next. You next fix the conductive button so a fingertip press closes the circuit. Press and test with your phone's touchscreen to confirm responsiveness. Once done, attach the neodymium magnet to the sliding arm. This creates the magnetic trigger that cardboard apps detect. Make sure the magnet's face aligns with the phone's sensor line when assembled, and reinforce with glue so it won't shift. Then add the Velcro strap to create a comfortable hand grip. Adjust placement for reach and stability. You now fold and glue the final housing, insert the phone, and verify the fit. A snug phone prevents false triggers. Next, open the cardboard app and run the magnet calibration test so the app recognizes your trigger. Move the magnet slowly during the test. If the controller is unresponsive, check magnet polarity and ensure the conductive pad makes solid contact with the screen. Loose glue or misalignment are common causes. Finally, reinforce weak joints and retest until.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.